There's a younger generation going around today. They want the real thing, you know. They've come to realise that a lot of the stuff that they're being presented with on television, with this X Factor and all that, they're like clones out of some sort of a, you know, singing factory.
I know.
You know, and I'm not condemning the young boys and girls that are on it. They're doing their best, but it's the type and all that sort of thing, type of singing, and there's no real substance in the songs, you know. And there is a reawakening that young people want, and they want to hear ordinary people singing, and they're beginning to realise that they can sing themselves.
Yeah.
You know, I'm constantly amazed at the talent of ordinary people. You know, to hear people. Yeah. And it's very, very encouraging, I have to say. I was never more encouraged in the last 10 years than I am now.
Brilliant.
Yeah, honest to God, yeah.
I've been told to be a seer, one must be ruthless. So I've eaten the yellow text of Paul and Brutus. The soothsayers came and went, I believe. To be reborn, we first must cultivate a seed. And spit it out, release that precious piece of pebble ash from your mouth. That's a working class jewel spinning round your hopeless head. It ain't for chewing on, it's for looking through instead. And you prefer the common stone to the pearls under the plexiglass with the factory girl who told her sister all about you, hanging bed sheets on a clothesline in the sun. She keep you warm, she keep you fed. They have gone and lost your bed on the doorstep of the sick and indigent society. And as Christmas comes, send word to all the ones who watch night the song day. 35 days after defection now, I am sat in the cheapest of rooms. There's an oil lamp defiantly snapping at the shadows. I've had notions to start playing chess, but the mice, they have stolen the pieces. I have told them to start paying rent or they must leave. I am anchored in an armchair. I am writing my letters. I intend on shooting the postman when he passes at dawn. I haven't eaten for 13 days. I've taken the form of a Bosnian beggar. And the reason the preachers are screaming and shouting, tell them mother I'm home, tell them mother I'm home. And as Christmas comes, send word to all the ones who would love to be remembered by the ghost of November on St. Stephen's Day. In some minuscule way. Across the city, they're sending postcards to Catalonia. Across that city, they're sending postcards to Catalonia. I won't get out now, so here's a postcard from Catalonia. To those at home, sending my love from Catalonia.